everyone, it's Lucy and we are standing up today. Bit of a change of location, but not really because it's where I shot my other haul video, which gives you a hint, it's a haul video. Didn't think I'd be doing another one of these so soon, but I'm actually going away very soon on a kind of beachy, tropical kind of vacation-y thingy for like about a week. And I was like to my friend, wow, can't wait. She's like, bring all your swimsuits. I'm like, I don't have any. Honestly, I just don't swim a lot. When you have bleach blonde hair, chlorine, and like washing it, I'm just lazy. But basically, I don't have swimsuits. I haven't gone swimming in a while. I don't have any swimsuits and I don't really have any summery wear because I didn't buy any for the most recent summer because I was in Japan and it was the middle of winter. Anyway, so I asked you guys what were the two kind of online stores that you like buying things from, and you guys had a whole bunch of suggestions, some that I tried before, some that I haven't, but I ended up going with two, and they are Boohoo.com and Pretty Little Thing. Both of these are pretty well known to me because they're on uni days. This isn't like sponsored by them or anything, but I'm a uni student, so a lot of these kinds of websites have like special student deals, so I tend to go for them. I think ASOS is my favorite. Just because I feel like the quality of the clothes is pretty good and there's really great brand variety, but these ones are interesting to me because it seems like it's all like in-house brands, like it's not like they've got a whole bunch of brands, it's just them. So without further ado, I'm gonna try on some summery things. I will try on the swimsuits, but for the sake of youtube.com TM, I will be wearing like a bra and like a little pair of shorts on top just because, I don't know, I'm like, what's the rule? So we're gonna wear shorts because I'll probably wear shorts over them the whole time anyway, to be honest. I'll be like swimsuits and I'll like not swim. Let's get on to the haul. So we're gonna start with Boohoo first because it was like the larger order that I did. And the first item is this one here. I'll be showing you pictures of what it looks like on the model and then on me. I won't be trying this on because I'm currently washing it because I cheated and I looked in the bag. I just wanted to try one thing on and wear it to uni. And I did wear it to uni and then I got caught in a rainstorm and it got like semi-wrecked. It's fine now, I think. I'll include the stories here. It's a really, really good Wednesday for me. It's like a kind of cropped polo top kind of thing with pink and like little black stripes. It's actually really super cute. It's really comfy and I believe it was only like under $20 for that price, for that quality and for that kind of item that I haven't really seen a lot of. It's a big thumbs up for me. That one's great. Already sorted. Definitely if you are looking at shopping in any of these stores, that one's good to go. So next up is actually a pair of shoes. I got these from Boohoo and I also sneakily tried these on. These are like these kind of like sandally sliders. I just wanted something really easy that I could wear like back and forth from like the pool or to the beach or whatever. I'm not going to show my feet on camera because I've been on the internet for a while and I'm actually good. Like I'm actually good. Like I don't need my feet on the internet. Like I'm fine for the moment. Thanks. But I'll show you what they're like on the model because they don't look too different on my feet, except they don't really fit. My feet are quite wide. They're thick boys. They're wide boys and they just don't really fit in the sand. I can't really like slide my foot all the way in because I just got flat, wide feet. So I'm probably gonna have to send them back or give them to a friend because they're actually pretty nice. They're pretty decent. So now we've got those two items out of the way that were probably not interesting to you at all because I didn't try them on. But next we're gonna go into the bag. Ooh, magical Mary Poppins bag. What am I gonna grab out first? Oh yay, okay. I really wanted to try this one on. I'll show you the picture here. This is like a pink, it's like a wrap dress, like a t-shirty material wrap dress. On the site, I think I saw the reviews because Boohoo has reviews, but they're kind of hidden. Like you kind of have to click in to see the reviews. It's kind of weird. Their website's a bit outdated and a bit weird. That's something about Boohoo I was like quite surprised. I was like, wow, your website's kind of bad. From what I saw on the site, a lot of people weren't happy when they received it that it wasn't like a chiffon material. Like they were expecting it to be chiffon, but it's actually like more of your kind of t-shirt material. I actually prefer that. It seems like comfy to me, but I'll go try it on and we'll come back and we'll discuss. Okay. But it's a bit like lower cut than I was expecting, but not bad at all. It fits a little more like form-fitting wise than I was expecting. You can see it like that. Sorry, I'm short and my camera setup's really dodgy. This is not bad. I'm actually really into this. Where I'm going, it's gonna be like super humid and everything like that. But with this, I don't really worry about like sweating into it because it's a little more breathable. Like it's like t-shirty material, so it's cotton something, some kind of cotton mix, whereas like a chiffon, I'd be like sweating. So this is actually quite cute. I actually really like the fit. The waist is like around the right spot for me. This is cute. I'm like not mad at this at all. I think this is the discounted price. Yeah, this was $21. This is good for $21. Like, it's real cute. I think if you want something a little more dressy, this does read a little more casual to me. But I'm about it. It's really flattering and I'm really happy. So I'm gonna be keeping this. This is super cute. Awesome, win. What's next? Okay, it's one of the swimsuits. This is just a bikini. Already, this is a lot more fluoro than I thought it was gonna be on the side. On the side, it was like a pale peachy color. This is like fluoro orange. It was very like Baywatchy. I don't know, I thought it was cute and like retro looking, but the color on me might not look so great. I don't look great in neons of any kind, so we'll see about that. One moment. I mean, it's not bad. It is, I don't know if it's because it's probably because I'm wearing a bra, but it is kind of like, I can feel like some under boob like threatening to happen, but I'm sure if I wasn't wearing the bra, it'd be all right. But I think if you're anything over like a C to a D cup, you may need to like size up, but then your bottoms might not fit because I don't think they were mix and match. Yeah, it's not bad. I think when I try it on properly off camera, and I'll like insert in like editing afterwards whether I think it's a good fit. Maybe if you like neons or if you look really good in neons, this would be super cute on you. I don't know, I think it just like washes me out a little bit. It makes me kind of look a bit like the wall, and I just look like a wall wearing a swimsuit. But the cut is cute. I do like the kind of sports crop toppy cut of it, but just not maybe the color. They just didn't look like this color on the website, so we'll see. I will insert some notes here. Might as well go all in with the next swimsuit, and this is the one I think I'm gonna like more out of the two. This one, also from Boohoo. It's like a little strawberry, like booby suit. I don't know, I find these really cute. I have this t-shirt from the Ragged Priest with like little cupcakes on it, and I really like it. And it has strawberries on it. It's like a milkshake pink, and it has a scoop back. So I think it'll be pretty flattering. I don't know, so I'm gonna give this one a go. Hopefully this is the superior swimsuit. Okay, getting that one on. I was like putting it on and I was like, wow, this has really great butt coverage and like fits really nicely. And then I tried to put the arms on over it. It wasn't happening. I realized it's one of those like high cut ones, which is cute, don't get me wrong. I'm not gonna show you because it's like kind of going over my underwear, and like, it's like a look. The strawberries are in like a semi-correct placement, and the back apart from my bra, excuse the bra, it's YouTube, I'm sorry. But the low back is like quite cute. It is really pretty, and I think the color is a lot nicer than the sort of neon orange one. I think it's a lot more flattering. I will update with notes on the fit of this swimsuit because it's just, oh, he's quite cutting in there. It's cute. I think the look is definitely cute. I think if you maybe were a little bit shorter than me, or you have a smaller butt than me, I think this would look really cute on you. And I think the quality of this one's a bit nicer, and like the overall, this is like what I expected, if that makes sense. Again, we'll insert notes about the fit and like my verdict and stuff. And it was $12. So like, I can't really be mad at that. The Peachy bikini was $24. So this is definitely the better deal to me, like without question. This is way cuter. And they had different colors and stuff of this as well. I do wonder if they had some like white ones or white striped ones. I do wonder how see-through they'd be, but the material's like nice quality. It's comparable to other like more expensive swimsuits. Like I have one from Black Milk, which they're really quite expensive, and I'd say this is pretty comparable, so yay. This is the last piece from Boohoo. I don't know how this one's gonna turn out. If you guys watch my Hong Kong vlog, you'll know that I'm eternally in the search for a pinafore that fits nicely. I saw this one on the side, and it seemed to have some like decent reviews and stuff, so I figured I'd go for it. I'm gonna go pop a t-shirt on and we'll try this on. It's not a fitted crop top, but I figured it would do for the purposes of this. I actually quite like this. It's baggy, but I think if you wear like a fitted top, if I just like go like that, you can kind of see the effect that it gives. It's kind of like roomy, but it's comfy. It is a little snug on my hips, but that's to be expected. I do have big old hippie boys, but it doesn't like kind of stick too much. Like it doesn't kind of look too awkward. It's not like a flattering item, but it's a cool item. And I'm not like, I'm so attractive. I'm like, I'm cool as heck. I'm not totally sure on it, but it's like 30 bucks. It's not too bad. See, if I do that, I kind of liked it a lot more. I find it hard to judge Pinafores. I'm like, what am I looking for here? But I'd rate this, like, not bad at all. It's pretty good actually. I think I might actually keep this. It's pretty comfy, and it's like not super hard. It's like a softer denim. Nice. Alrighty, that was everything from Boohoo, so we're gonna move swiftly along to Pretty Little Thing. First off, just minor props, the packaging, a lot cuter than Boohoo. Side note, if you wanna buy from Boohoo or Pretty Little Thing, if the sale that they're having on the site is less than like 40%, just don't. Because I was gonna buy stuff from here, but I was like, it's like 30% off. And then 2 days later, it was 50% off. So, win. So the first item for Pretty Little Thing is this like smock dress. It's like kind of a cottony poplin kind of dealio. I just wanted something easy that I could just throw on. So I'm gonna try it on now and we'll see how it looks. Like I know white dresses are meant to be see-through, but this is like real see-through. Like I'm afraid to step back too far because you'll like see my underwear. I'll show you what it's like on the model. She looks like she's in like a perfume commercial where she rides on a horse. I kind of look like one of the leftover nuns in like a school musical for The Sound of Music. I did know that I had this cut, but I didn't know it'd sit like so awkwardly in this like section here. I think I'm gonna have to send this one back. I don't know, maybe I'm wrong, but like even in the back it's real short. I'm not wearing it backwards, but it feels like I'm wearing it backwards. It's just quite short in the back. It's like also not like a comfy material. It's not like cottony, it's quite scratchy. It feels really cheap. I'm really disappointed. This is the first time I've ordered from Pretty Little Thing and this item it's gonna be a no from me. It just doesn't look cute. Maybe on top of like swimwear if I'm going to the beach, but otherwise it's like, ew. It's a no from me. Next item, really boring, I'm sorry you guys, but it's literally just a white t-shirt dress. I'm sure this will be like the redeeming white dress option from Pretty Little Thing, so ooh, I just hit myself in the face with the tag. Let's try it out. Look, it's soft, it's comfy, it has a slight smell, but I'm sure it'll go away. It smells like a plane. Guess because it was on a plane to get to me. I wish it was a little thicker, which maybe I'm being like picky, but again, you can see my underwear and I'm not even wearing like bold colors. They're just like a light gray, in case you're wondering. It's just kind of clinging kind of awkwardly, you know what I mean? Like it's sort of sticking in like my little, it's not like flowing nicely. It's like, here's your stomach. I'm like, good, I know that. Kind of thought it would be better, but it's a white t-shirt. Like I'm not sure how it's like not, it's really like, you can even see my bra that I'm wearing and it's like the color, it's a skin colored bra. Like, And Pretty Little Thing was like a little more expensive than Boohoo as well per item. It's a little more, even like 50% off. I'm like, it's not, so far it's not worth it. It's like cute on the model, but not on, it's not horrendous, it's just not great. Final item from Pretty Little Thing, this is Redemption Round. This is like a bikini. I'll insert the picture here. Alrighty, final item from Pretty Little Thing. This is the last bikini from Pretty Little Thing. Redemption Round, this one's the cutest one. I think I like this bikini the most. There's no support in the thing. I am wearing a bra again at the moment, but you can also see there's like a metal clip in the back. It feels like it's worth the money. It feels the most expensive, feels the most like luxe, I guess. This is really cute. I really like the color combination of like the pink and red. It's really cute. The high-waisted bottoms are nice. The like kind of waist, it's really flattering, I think. I feel like it's flattering on my body, and it fits really nicely, and the quality of it feels pretty good too. So I really like that one. So that was my entire Boohoo and Pretty Little Thing haul. I think you get what you pay for with these kinds of websites. I really do. I think maybe, you know, sometimes you just get real wins. Like that last bikini, super win. That pink dress with the little white stars, super win. I mean, I don't know until like I wash these things, because that's also kind of how the cookie crumbles, but there are plenty of cute items in here. But I think with these websites, you do just have to take a little grain of salt, maybe just do a little bit of a bigger order than you plan on doing and just send stuff back. I think that's just what you kind of need to do. That's sort of the mentality that I did it with. I was like, I'll over order and then send back things I don't like, because don't want to be like a week away from my trip and still not have a swimsuit. But I think I found one and I'm wearing it underneath. Thank you so much for tuning into this haul today. Hope you found it enjoyable and like informative or something. I know I babble, but I feel like we know this by now. I've had a few videos together. I feel like you know that I babble now. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.